Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Rhys Dinero Show, episode 10, and today we're going to be talking about buying and selling Bitcoin. So this is the site which I recommend, localbitcoins.com. This is where I do all of my buying and selling, and I believe this is the best and easiest site. This is for UK people. I think US also. The US also has some sellers. I don't know, obviously I'm not from the US, but yeah, you can pay, cash by mail, cash deposit, Western Union, etc. But this is for UK. This is for UK people, really. So the reason that I like this site is, every person that's selling it has the feedback, right? So with the feedback, let me just wait for it to load up. You can tell, it's no different to buying something on eBay. If somebody's got rubbish feedback, you probably will give it a miss. So, as you can see, you can choose whatever offer you want, whatever payment method you want. You use PayPal, bank transfer, whatever. I usually use bank transfer. It's easiest in my opinion. Find a seller. See here it's 100 feedback, or you can go for the cheapest. Whatever. It's literally as simple as clicking buy. Okay, well this guy needs SMS verification, so I don't have my phone number verified on this account. So let's go with this guy. This guy needs it also. Crazy. So let's say I wanted to buy £500 worth. Just enter that in. That's how much Bitcoin you'll get, and you literally just send a trade request. And once this opens up, he will send you, or she will send you, the details to send it to, the account number, sort code, and you literally just send the money to them, and then mark the trade as completed. Once you've done that, and they've received the money, they will release the money into your wallet up there. Just as simple as that. When it comes to selling Bitcoins, it's also very simple. You just find somebody that wants to buy it. So these people, these are usually sellers that sell themselves. So they're more than happy to buy your Bitcoin and sell that as well. And you can also find people for cash. I don't know if I'd recommend that unless it's somebody with 100% feedback and a relatively extensive feedback list. And you just click sell. Enter how much Bitcoin you've got. So let's say I had 0.3 Bitcoin. You'd get almost £2,000. Send a trade request. Just follow the instructions, and it is as simple as that. So that is how to buy and how to sell Bitcoin on localbitcoins.com. Have a nice day. It's the Rhys Dinero Show, episode 10.